subscribe and like and share this video, and hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna do a Barbie look today, and I'm gonna try it, but end up looking like her. And let's start. I've already prepped my face today. For the first time, I'm gonna use some foundation today. Well, I've not used a foundation for a while. We're gonna start at using first Clean Slate Timeless Primer. I'm gonna use the same product that I always use in my beauty videos. I'm gonna use a little. I'm just gonna use around here. The sky is getting darker than usual for summer. Next, let's use my foundation. Rimmel. This shade seems like quite dark. But anyway, we're gonna use some concealer anyway. I'm gonna use this brush to apply it. This is actually my skin color, I think, or is it a little bit darker? But anyway, that's the only foundation I have here. Just brush that hair out of your face. Oh, it smells nice. It does smells nice. It actually looks like the same shade. Let's come back because I'm gonna need to wear the beauty blender. Hi, I'm back. Oh, that foundation looks dark. Beauty blender. Nice to put it with brushes first. You could spread them evenly in your face. Para pantay ba? Actually, I do that way because I find it good at spreading the foundation the same amount in every space in your face. You don't miss any spots. Full coverage naman to yung foundation. But I do put foundation anyway because when I have special occasion, just put concealer. Maybelline, I have to use the other one. You have to put it around here because Barbie looks like she got a lot of white around her T-zone. Wow, that's a lot of concealer. And then back with my beauty blender as well. Just always bounce the beauty blender. Don't wipe it because you're gonna drag all the foundation. Mainin ng beauty blender yung products. Kinokopya ko kay Barbie. Can you see it? I put my computer into use. I've not used them for a while. Wala kasing gamitan din. If you have your phone, you don't really need you have everything on your phone now. And then I'm gonna go back to that big beauty blender para maganda yung labas. Flawless yung labas. And then I'm gonna put some powder. No, put me as I always use. Let's use that. Oh, gosh, use this brush. I'm gonna put this all over my face. Because it's super dark nung foundation. Gawin natin puti. My foundation was so dark. Wait, whiten daw. Tapos mag-bake tayo. Bake, I'm gonna use this powder. Banana powder. Wala na names. This is, I think, the lotion. And then, I'm gonna use this brush. Bronzer. Balikin natin kasi para plus yung shape ni Barbie. Ang daming makeup to. Let's move on into putting a little blush first. Ang L'Oreal. Na Rosewood. Dito sa taas lang. Tapos yung ilong natin, palitin natin. Itong brush. Kasi yung ilong niya maliit. Ilong ni Barbie. Tapos I'm gonna use this just to bake those. Lost my mind. Ay po, ilong. Para medyo lumiit po ang ilong. Sisi pa nga. Itong wonderglam. I'm gonna use this because it's like pink. I'm gonna make sure of that as pink. Use this as applicator. On brush. Dito. Dito ba sa crease? Go over her crease all the way here. And the other side, ganun din po sa sakit ng lid mo. And then, blend. Lagi pong blend para hindi po siya makalatingnan. And then, let's repeat that again. Ito color. Intense natin konti. Sa black. Yan. Yan lang yata po eh. Bigyan natin ng brightness para makita niya. Yan po. Wow. It was brown, I think. First color I've used was, what color is it? Cherry Tarte, I think. Now I'm gonna use the Bobsled brown color. This color. Use this, sip a little. And ito lang. All the way here. Put that one too. I'm gonna use the brush from that palette. Blend it. But I'm gonna add another of the cherry tart. And then brush that. That pink. I'm gonna dust that baking in here. And then I'm trying to double on the full eyeliner. Use this one. Tarte eyeliner. Wow, this is gonna be difficult. As I said, it's not perfect, but I have a way to fix it. Now, a way to fix it. Concealer. And make that as sharp as possible. This one. And this one. And parehas na ba? is Rimmel waterline. I'm gonna put that in the waterline. This is Kohl for the eye. And then I'm gonna do, my brows. Use this L'Oreal first. Ayan, tapos you just brush it. Hindi ko na copyan yung kanya, yung eyebrows niya. Eyebrows is so tiny. And then I'm just gonna use some concealer to cut that off. Clean it. Ito yung ilong ng Barbie. Hindi siya kaya i-copy yung ilong niya. Mata lang. Let's try this. First the lashes first. And use the mascara. Let's use the mascara. Tapos, yung corner niya dito. Nice. Parehas na. Ano, that's it. Can't do anything about it. There we go. That's the only lipstick I got. This is all for the day, and this is the makeup I'm created. I don't know if I did. Ang ilong. Hindi kaya yung ilong. Kaya siguro, pero I didn't do it well today. Magpapalit ako ng makeup out. Hi po, nakabihis na po ako. Ito po siya. Isang publicate. Lalagay tayo ng pan. She got on her lips. She got these shiny bits. Let's copy that too. Put a little shiny in here. Just. Oh yeah. And then put some highlights. Some right here. And then mix it with some right here. Highlights. Tapos keep it well. And po. That was start. And po. Hi po, salamat po.